Identical scoring totals para sa magkaparehong kubunan sa ating unang dalawang set dito sa ating unang laro ngayong Sabado sa PVL Open Conference. Sayang dahil umarangkada na itong Chef's Classics. They established a 3-point lead. Pero syempre, humabol din itong PacificTown-Army with their veteran smarts and experience.
That's right. And itong Chef's Classic, ang ganda na sana ng simula nila, Antonio. Binanggit nga natin na pagkukulang nila sa blocking. They were able to commit to the blocking, especially in the beginning. Pero hindi lang din nagtuloy-tuloy. Although, they tried, but the hits of Honey Royce Tubino, and nakadagdag pa sila Cruz, and si King Balse, who had a lot of hits also in that second set. Malaluan also giving her share. That's why yung Lady Troopers, ayan, 15 attack points to 8 at yung blocking pareho lang naman. Yung service lumamang pa na nga Lady Red Spikers, at yung errors naman they were able to maintain it, and actually nabawasan pa yung mga errors nila from the previous set, but it wasn't enough for them to win this the second set against the Lady Troopers. Masyado lang maraming atake ang hindi nasasagot itong Chef's Classics.
Kaya naman nakikita natin yung mga mukha ng mga batang Lady Red Spikers. Seryoso. They are looking for answers against these veteran players mula sa PacificTown-Army. Set number 3 action officially underway dito sa PVL 2019. Tubino breaks down the wall.
And again, Tubino just challenging the blockers on the other side. Napansin siguro niya, committed na sa blocking Lady Red Spikers. Pero ito nga, binabasag ni Tubino.
Justine Tew, drop ball, hindi gumana. Backset mapupunta kay Gonzaga. Ball is back in the air. Acno was there. De Los Reyes, wala pa rin. Cuevas, babalik kay Iza Viray. And what a save right there. Tubino keeping this rally going. Papalo na naman si Royce Tubino. Pero nadepensahan ni Bangad at Juanillo.
Yun ang patience na hinahanap ni Coach Gabino kanina pa, na kailangan din sila slowly but surely.
The surface are denied.
Oh, but you don't want that. Error. Forced error na naman dito sa Lady Red Spikers. Leading scorers for this match so far.
Si Tubino, only player in double digits with 10.
Most of which came from that second set.
At may ace pa. Dinadagdagan ni Honey Royce Tubino ang kanyang mga puntos dito sa larong ito. The number 11. The 11th score sa ating listahan ng PVL 2019 Open Conference. Viray. Agno. Bunag. Bunag na naman. Cuevas. De Los Reyes was there. Cuevas. Pinalik dito kay Tew. Balik ang bola sa ere. Back set. Gonzaga. Drop ball. Jovelyn Gonzaga.
Ganda ng basa ni Jovelyn doon. After this hit, ito talaga yung alam mo, pinaka-biggest advantage ng Lady Troopers, yung mga reaction nila, yung mga saves.
Di pa. Laki mo nga, tagaan yung laban. Okay? Na-target ka, sa yung first ball. Okay? Bayan mo. Tara, challenge natin yung sarili natin. Hindi pwede ganyan lang, oh. Tara.
Justin Tew trying to keep things light despite the huge deficit that they are facing kontra dito sa PacificTown-Army.
Tubino still on the line to serve.
Still at the serve for Tubino.
Cuevas. Tew.
Solid blocking from Lady Troopers.
Tapos de Los Reyes and Gonzaga pinayungan itong si Justine.
Tubino for the serve.
Cuevas. Bangad breaks down the wall.
And you like that the youngsters are trying now to challenge the blockers of the Lady Troopers, especially in this last play. Yan dapat ang gawin nila. Test mo lang. Sige lang, subok lang. That's why kanina pa sila sinasabihan nga ni Coach Gabino. Be patient and tapakan lang eh. Minsan nakaka-intimidate talaga. Dito sa buong conference, yung team talaga ng Lady Troopers, kung meron kang may intimidate ka, sila yun eh.
Yes.
Diba?
Light up pa lang pag nakita mo na yung mga pangalan. Oy.
Sila talaga, yung papasok mo na kwarto sa kita mo.
Services.
Sila yung kagad plus 2 kagad sa intimidation factor.
And right now, Pacific Town has a 6-point advantage kontra sa Chef's Classics. ABS-CBN TV Plus Go. Ang phone mo, TV na rin. Manood on the go, no data charges while watching. For 799 pesos only, one-time payment. Kuha na. Just visit Facebook/TV Plus Go for more information. O kaya, pumunta lamang sa tvplusgo.abs-cbn.com/OTG or just text OTG, the phone brand and model, and send to 23661.
Akin na nga yan, gusto ko yan. Yung kopya niya, gusto ko yan. Sa sobrang traffic, yan ang mga happiness ko in life, no?
Nag-evolve na talaga ang panonood ng mga teleserye, mga sports. Okay, balikan muna natin si Amanda Howe.
Anton and Monty juggling 2 major roles as a mother and as a player for the PacificTown-Army Lady Troopers. Ging Balsepabayo admits that it has not been easy having a lot on her plate. Sacrifices had to be made and her time has always been divided, which is why she is most thankful for her husband for his utmost support, taking on the role of caring for their firstborn. Shortly after giving birth, she made sure to get back on track and play volleyball as soon as she could. Hindi raw nakukumpleto ang araw niya without volleyball. Kaya naman, after every season, she makes sure to cherish quality time with her family. Back to you, Anton and Mozi.
Paano naman, Embalse? Gusto mo na panganay yata hanggang bunso naglaro. Talagang family of volleyball players.
So, hindi na tayo magugulat sa susunod na generation.
Oh, alam mo na yan. Saan papunta? PacificTown-Army early on trying to take charge.
Oh, Alina Bicar.
Another ace. Pacific Town now up by 9
Coach
points.
Mesho Gavino,
12-3.
also a San Beda alumnus.
Service Picard.
Yun, I like how he's teaching the players. At ang ganda kasi in-game, yung habang lumalaban. And ang maganda pa dito, pagkakalaban mo, iba-iba eh. Iba-ibang generation, iba-ibang klaseng game. So, yung learnings niya talaga napakalaki dito sa mga youngsters.
And Coach Mesho has proven that he can help a volleyball program rise to the next phase of the tournament kasi nga sa unang pagkakataon sa Final Four nakapasok ang San Beda. So the kids are learning from him.
Sana dumami pa yung mga coaches natin na ganyan because volleyball is really big now in the country and you like that the youngsters learn the correct and right way about playing the sport.
back in the air. Malaluan. Alina Bicar. Binalik kay Luth Malaluan.
Yun ang mahirap. Ito yung mga, again, yung mga youngsters should realize that you cannot give an easy free ball. Sobrang free naman. Hindi mo man lang pinahirapan ng kahit konti to a team like the Lady Troopers. Bumalik ng quick hit tuloy.
Cuevas. Hindi naman si Iza ang papalo. A joust at the top. Angeles, binalik ang bola sa PacificTown-Army. Bicar binigay kay Honey Royce Tubino.
Off the block.
Once again, just getting it through. And actually, another off-the-block point for her. Now it's a humongous 11-point lead for the Lady Troopers.
John Mooney.
Cuevas. Isa Viray. Way underneath the ball on that hit.
Second technical timeout.
It is a huge 16-14 lead by PacificTown. Magbabalik po ang PVL 2019. Nagpapatuloy ang aksyon at saya dito sa loob ng Phil Oil Flying V Center. DJ Louie hyping everybody up. And we are saying hello also to everybody watching via the I1 app. Thank you for choosing the PVL, even though there's a lot of programs that you can choose from sa app na yun.
Always sinabi, papag-commercial na sila ni
Isa Viray. Alina Bicar, pinigay kay Gutierrez.
And si Coach Mufu, pinahinga na muna si Tobino, putting Gutierrez in. But a miscue on that last one after this Gutierrez hit. Hindi nagkaamo yan dun sa return.
Malaluan. Bicar, pinigay kay Gutierrez. Viray wanted it, but nailang siya kasi nahulog si Cuevas.
That's why she wasn't able to go for her usual approach.
Yeah.
Substitution, Chef's Classics line out for Pilago in.
And Isa Viray will finally be taken out of the game. It's been tough. Lumaban siya.
From the get-go.
Yeah.
Sumusubok naman.
Pero ang pinalit kay Isa si Pilago. Nakapuntos para sa Chef's Classics.
Serving Rebecca Cuevas.
Gutierrez. Bicar, back set. Cuevas. Pilago. Puntos para sa Chef's Classics. And that's why it's important to stay ready even though ganito yung score. Pag tinawag ang pangalan mo, kailangan handa ka.
Always. Look at this angled hit. Tumama pa sa Dave Antena. Kaya si Gutierrez din medyo off yung timing niya to go to that ball.
Circles now.
$18-7 pabor sa PacificTown-Army.
Cruz serving.
Cuevas. Agno. Bicar, binigay kay Gutierrez.
Ready ang blockers on the other side.
Chef's Classics. 8 serving 18.
So si Coach Kung Fu, nakita mo parang may inuutos na play
And the server
dito sa Lady Troopers.
Oh, Alina Bicar.
Alina, wala nang play. Ako na. And she does get the point.
At ito, mababasa na natin ang mga kapamilya nating nakatutok ngayon. Mga tweets nila, ganda ng game ng Chef's Classics versus PacificTown. Laban kung laban, lalo na si Nieza Viray. That's true. Isa Viray, always a true fighter.
Grabe yung blocking ng Chef's Classics. Yung talaga naman kanina pa natin, di ba, paulit-ulit kasi talaga natin yung masustain nila yan all through the set kasi ang laking advantage for them.
Sakto yung tweet mo dahil naka-block na naman itong Chef's Classics na patuloy na lumalaban. Maski na 10 ang lamang. Maski na 10 ang hinahabol nila kontra dito sa PacificTown-Army. Ball is in the air. Oh!
On rescue on the side of the Lady Red Spikers. Once again, bago si Oliveros dito, new addition dito sa Chef's Classics.
Minsan nagsashuffle-shuffle si Coach Mesho ng lineup kasi nga dalawa yung teams na kino-coach niya.
21-9.
Sometimes Isabiray does not play.
Timeout, Chef's Classics.
That's an ace right there.
Ganyan ang ginagalaw natin, nalalaglag yung bola natin. Diba? Hindi na natin problema yung kalaban eh. Problema natin yung team natin. Okay? Organize tayo, compose tayo. Okay? Hindi pa yan tapos. Ha? Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Basta po na, tara, wala. Tara, tara. Okay, alright.
Maski na 12 na ang lamang ng Pacific Town, ang gusto lang makita ni Coach Mesho, lumalaban ang kanyang kubunan.
That's right. Very basic naman yan sa mga coaches natin. Yung hindi dapat, kumbaga, bumibigay.
Kanina nakita ko si Ella papasok na sa court tapos pinabalik ni Coach Mesho. Kaya tinignan ko muna yung schedule ng collegiate. May laro pala sa Peda kaninang umaga.
Oh, yung pala.
8 a.m. Mozi.
Eh, pero naka-power na. Kaya ako 8 a.m. naman eh. Pambihira ka.
Power nap.
Oh,
Sapat na ba yun?
oh, pag magat ng age ka, kaya mo yan.
Justin Thieu.
Oh!
Vicar papalo. Si Vicar na-excite eh. O hiningi pa ni Alina. Pero kay Bunag napunta. Yung toss. Ngayon naman Thieu. Vicar tumingin sa kaliwa. Oh!
There's not enough spin on that one. Pero yun din, kung napanood mo din during her collegiate days, sa parito, tsaka yung background na yan, sisiw sa kanya yan.
Ayan, pinasok na si Ella Viray. Tignan, power nap. The effect of the power nap. Gabriana. Matulis na serve. Malaluan. Quick attack.
Malaluan na naging consistency niya, no? Although hindi naman sobrang daming puntos, pero more often than not, pag binigyan siya, defensive point.
Maski nung Pocari sweat days niya, epektibo si Malaluan. Bunag. Gabriana, back set para kay Ella Viray. Bunag.
Mabasa din ay Bunag. He's so experienced in letting that ball goes. Alam niya na tumama na sa antenna. Point goes to Lady Troopers, who is now at match point.
Ella Viray. Thieu. Free ball. Tatapusin na kaya ng Pacific Town. Malaluan. Thieu. Sumisigaw yung mga teammates ni Alina. Isa pa, Alina. Ayan. Pero kay
that's a violation right there.
Colin Cruz.
Yung mga teammates ni Alina gusto
sa kanya.
makita kung ano magiging desisyon, diskarte nitong si Alina Picar.
O, hindi, ang gusto yata nila pumalo siya.
Okay, okay.
Oh, it was way on the side and medyo mahirap yung angulo. Cruz,
Ano nangyari ba yun, boss? Yung setter minsan hinihingi?
Oo. Oo, sila Kim Pardo, ganyan
Okay,
diba?
okay, okay.
Kapag talagang papaluan ka. Lalo na pagka yung mga men's game.
Ball goes out. 13.
So, unti-unti na Chef's Classics. Pero syempre, match point na tayo dito for the Lady Troopers.
Serve team captain Justin Chi.
Chef's Classics, hindi pa rin nakakatikim ng panalo. Ang Pacific Town naman,
Finally,
Talo.
ending that
yeah,
losing
3 straight losses eh. Viray. Alina with the save. Cruz for the win.
Finishes the set and the match.
putting an exclamation point to this match.
Coach Combo Reyes and Coach Mesho Gavino, mga alumnus ng kanilang alma mater, UST and San Pedro respectively. Mga teachers having a good conversation after this match dito sa PVL 2019. Dalia Cruz makukuha ang huling puntos para sa kanyang kupunan. At sa wakas, Pacific Town getting their first win since August 21. Matagal-tagal na rin yun. August 21. First win since August 21. We'll be back to put the finishing touches on this win by Pacific Town. At dito po nagtatapos ang ating unang laban ngayong Sabado kung saan nagtagumpay ang PacificTown-Army kontra sa Chef's Classics 25-18, 25-18, 25-13. Ang ating player of the match kasama ngayon ni Amanda Howe.
First of all, congratulations sa inyo, Royce. So, I noticed that in your first two games, the scores were pretty close. So, sa third set, paano kayo nakalayo?
Siguro yung service namin, kasi kinarga namin yung service namin, kaya siguro lumayo yung score namin sa third set. Kaya focus muna kami sa receive and receive lang kami muna. Ayun.
Royce, napansin ko rin na medyo nahirapan kayo in your past few games. So, how did this serve as a motivation for you guys to work even harder?
Siguro sa 3 games namin na talo, siguro ito yung motivation na stepping stone namin tong sa Pacific Chef's Classic muna. Kaya step by step muna kami. We're winning. Yun.
May gusto ka bang batiin?
Binabati ko si Sir Rudy Chua, si General Alberto, Pacific Town, General Recondora at si Colonel La Chica. At sa pamangkin ko dyan sa Zamboanga City, hi baby Jao, happy birthday. And kay PT Pao, sa maganda namin PT, happy birthday.
Thank you, Royce. Back to you, Anton and Mozzie.
Talaga na mga upbeat si Royce na finally nga, di ba? Yung nakuha na nila yung panalo and then 3 straight sets, di ba?
At ang susunod na mga kalaban ng Pacific Town, Bali Pure at Air Force. So focused itong Pacific Town Army na makakuha pa ng mga panalo sa mga susunod na laban. Pero eto, Bali Pure at Creamline nagwa-warm up na para sa ating susunod na laro ngayong Sabado. Kaya naman, maraming salamat sa inyong pagtutok, and we will say goodbye for a moment. On behalf of our director, Al Neri, our executive producer, Malu Neri, our panel at large, Amanda Howe, my partner, Mosey Ravenna, and all of us from ABS-CBN Sports, I'm Anton Ross saying thank you for watching. And we will see you all again next time. But stay tuned for our next match dito sa PVL 2019, hatid sa inyo ng S&A.